Now let's move on to the next part, that is control plus alphabets from control A to control Z. So the first shortcut, control A, is useful for selecting all the items or all the text in the document. Everything will get selected. Select all. Everything will get selected by using the shortcut control plus A. The second shortcut is control B. Applies bold to the selected text when we have to select a particular text before applying the shortcut control B. By using the same shortcut, we can undo application of bold on a particular text. Third shortcut is control plus C. It is useful for copying the selected text. For duplication, we use the shortcut. Control D, the font dialog box will be opened. So, control E is useful for center alignment. The next shortcut is control F. It opens find dialog box. If you are searching for a particular combination of text, or if you are searching for a particular character, a particular information in the document, you can complete that by using the shortcut by using control plus F. If you want to move directly to a particular page, move directly to a particular section, move particularly to a particular named part, like named a heading part and all, you can directly use the shortcut control plus G. The next shortcut is control plus H. If you want to find something and if you want to replace it with some other, suppose if you have some spelling error in a particular document in many places, instead of searching for it in all the locations, you can simply use this shortcut for replacing particular combination or particular word in particular document. So italic style and font will be applied by using the shortcut control M. We can indent the paragraph. Okay. Indentation can be given by using control M, and control N is useful for creating a new document. A new document will be created by using the shortcut control N. If you are thinking about opening an existing document, that can be done by using control O. Already saved document in computer can be opened by using control O. You can see different folders and locations on the computer. You can select the folder in which your file is saved and you can open it. Control P, it opens print dialog. If you want to save your document permanently or save changes, then you can go for control S shortcut. Control T, it is useful for giving hanging indent. Here it is given as opens the font dialog box, but actually it is useful for hanging indent. Control U applies underlining the selected text. The selected text will get underlined by using the shortcut. Control V, it is useful for paste. After Control C, we will be using the shortcut. So if you want to close the document, only document, not application, that can be done by using Control W. If you want to move a particular text or combination of text to other location in the document or another text supported application in Windows, then we can go for Control X, moving the text or selected items from one area to another. Control Y repeats the last command enter. Whatever operation you perform previously, the same operation will get repeated by using Control Y. If you want to come back from your previous operation or undo the last change, you can go for the shortcut Control Z. These are different useful shortcuts in control plus alphabet combination from Control A to Control Z. Let's see how these shortcuts will work in MS Word. Now the first shortcut, Control A. The total items and total text will get selected, and after this we can apply different operations on document by using different options. Control A is select all. So now I am selecting all the part and I am clicking on Control B. On, it is just like on and off. If Control B is up, now it is normal text. Now I am using the shortcut Control B. Now it became bold. Okay. If I think about copying this one more time, I have to click on the shortcut Control C. I have to go to a new area and again I am using the shortcut Control V. Okay. Control C for duplication of text. Okay. Next, coming to Control C, done is Control D. It is useful for font dialog box. The font dialog box will open by using the shortcut Control D. If you want to align something exactly at center, now I am thinking about aligning Control G exactly at center of this column. I can go for the shortcut Control E. The Control E shortcut is useful for placing the selected text at center. Okay. As we are in second column, G moved to center of second. Okay. Now moving to the next shortcut, that is F, right? So Control plus F, if you are searching for a particular word in the document, okay, you can see I am searching for letter. Okay, when I click on enter, the selection directly move to letter. You can search for different items in the document or different words or combination of words in the document by using Control F shortcut. If you're thinking about moving to a particular page, particular section, particular line, particular bookmark, a particular name or location like footnote, endnote, table, all these you can simply use the shortcut Control plus G. Next, Control plus H. If you are thinking about replacing particular word or particular sentence with another sentence, another word or another thing, then you can go for Control H shortcut. Now what I am thinking about changing letter in smaller case to letter in uppercase, right? Now I am going for replace. One replacement is made. Now the previous letter in lowercase, change it to uppercase. In this manner, we can go for combination of different words also. Control I, italic. The text will get slanted slightly towards right. Then justified alignment, Control J. What is justified alignment? It is nothing but adjustment of total area. Adjustment of total area. The total text will be adjusted from equally from left margin and right margin. That is Control J. Then Control K. What is the use of Control K? It is useful for hyperlink. If you click on that, hyperlink is nothing but if you click hyperlink, it will take you to some other place in the document like bookmark. It can take you to some other image outside. It can run application. There are different applications with we can go for different options by using the shortcut of Control K or hyperlink. Control L, left alignment. Now if you see here, Control E is center alignment, Control L is left alignment. Now what I am doing here, first I am applying Control E, L moved to center part of the column. When I press Control L, it moved back to its original position. Okay, left alignment. Control M, you see here the indent adjustment. You can clearly see that the first line indent and the left indent both are getting adjusted by using Control M. If you are thinking about creating a new file, then you can go for Control N. When I click on Control N, a new file is opened. Now Control O, if you are thinking about opening an existing file, okay, recent, shared with me, okay, different folders. You can search on desktop. You can search in different parts of this computer or any computer by using the shortcut Control O. If you're thinking about printing some information, the shortcut is Control P. You can go for particular selection, you can print all the pages, you can print odd pages and even pages. All this can be done by using the shortcut Control P. Now moving on to the next shortcut, that is Control Q. So what this shortcut will do is, the shortcut Control Q is useful for indent adjustment. It is useful for indent adjustment. The next shortcut is Control R. Right alignment. Okay, right alignment. Okay, the text move to right corner of the particular column or particular page by using the shortcut right alignment is Control R. If you want to save the changes, Control S. If you are thinking about changing the left indent, you have to go for Control T. You can see clearly on the top, left indent is getting adjusted when we click on Control T, and when you click on Control plus Shift plus T, it is coming back to its original position. If you are thinking about underline, Control U. After cut, we can paste them. After cut or copy, we can paste from clipboard by using the shortcut Control V. If you are thinking about closing the document, Control W. So I don't want to close it, I'm just closing this dialog box. To close the document, Control W. As we discussed already, Control X for copy. If you are thinking about redoing the same operation, Control Y. The same previous operation was closing the document like Control W. Even if you press and Control Y, the same operation will get repeated. Okay. Control Z. Undoing previous operation. Okay. In this manner, we can use the shortcuts from Control A to Control Z in MS Word.